All right, guys, here's the video to find our winner for the Aaron Rodgers signing number 2. This is for the Flats Minis for 350. So we'll check the time, March 5th at 9:17 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have March 5th at 9:17 p.m. Here's the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. Last and final. Good luck. It is David. Spot 20 is your winner. So, David, please get with me to get your item for Rodgers. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, March 5th at now 9:18 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.